You're gonna need another quick sip here. Okay, so number 8 is to do a search at Cal State Long Beach by going there through the link at Long Beach City College's library, and to find a useful book or journal article there. So to get there, you're going to click on Research Tools and Collections, and then click on Area Libraries. So we are already there from using the books, right? The books and media lists. So what we're going to do now is look over here, and there's Area Libraries. So you click on that, and then it brings up Area Libraries. Now, little known fact, your Long Beach City College ID, which you better have, you should have, is really cool. You can use it for a lot of things. Discounts on food, discounts at fast food restaurants. I've heard of students saying discounts for bus usage, but it also operates as an ID card or a library card, and you can use it by virtue of your registration at Long Beach City College at Cal State University, Long Beach. Now, I would never say drive out there, park, pay to park, hoof it 2 miles uphill to that library to check out a book. But if you wanted to, you could. This also gives you access as a library card to Long Beach Public Library, LA County Library, Los Angeles Public Library, CSU Dominguez Hills, UCLA, USC, all of the California Community College libraries, and other stuff, right? But we're just going to click on Cal State Long Beach, which is on top because they're amazing. And then you're at their search site. So we're gonna search for something here. Days when that search didn't work, I just told my students to go to www.csulb.edu/university library, but now it works. So we're gonna click on advanced search, just like we did for number 2 and 3 at LBCC's library. And then in the one search, we're gonna enter subject, right? Just like we did for 2 and 3, and search for something, right? So let's scroll down to one search and click, I'll do everything, and advanced search, maybe I should pause, no, okay, good, and everything, subject, and then we will enter our search terms and click search. So I have done from he to she in first grade, and I'm going to click search and see what we get. I don't really like anything I'm seeing here. I'm going to add a term here for gender roles. Clicked and subject, and I'm going to put gender roles. And I am gonna click search again. Nothing. Oh no, Professor Haney, what am I gonna do? I'm gonna change this to just first grade and gender roles. And click search. And let's see. Meh, I don't really like anything here. So I'm gonna do another search. So it took some finagling around gender roles in elementary school, and I finally was able to get stuff, only 835 results. And I am going to, find something that looks interesting, and look, there's our citation tool. So I'm just gonna click that and copy and paste it. It's under a person whose name is Reynolds. We want MLA style, go away APA, blah, 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 blah. And I'm going to copy that, and Reynolds goes on top of Rottenberg, right? I'm going to click edit, and again, just like we've been doing, match formatting, and it's not formatted correctly, so I'm going to just click the tab key, and we're ready to go to the last one. Number 9, I just really want to know that you know how to do a Google search. So we're going to go to Google, use a search engine of your choice if you're not going to use Google. And I just want to know that you can do a search for gender roles, for example, and limit it to EDU sites, and then get that publication information. Search terms for Lori Frankel and rapid onset gender dysphoria. And you get like 6,000 results. You'll be fine. And I just want to show you how to limit that using advanced search. And you're just going to limit this to EDU sites, right? Why we are doing this in the site and domain here is because .comers usually have something to sell you, and all these other things don't necessarily get you good sources. So you kind of always want to stay away from dissertations, and we see this is a dissertation, but if you did want to read it, it might be like 100 pages. But this is just to show you online articles, right? And the publication information, right? Obviously, the author and title is Nisha Gupta. I'm lazy, so I'm going to just copy and paste all of this and show you how to format that into your library assignment. Gupta, right, will be in G. So, FG. And I'm just gonna paste it all and match formatting and show you how to kind of just fix it. So Gupta is the last name, and that will go first. I'm gonna cut it and put it here. And then the first name is Nisha. And because I'm lazy, I'm just gonna cut that. And paste it, period, the title in quotes. So I copied it and I'm gonna just paste it. There's my first quote, paste, and my second quote. And then the title of the publication it's in, or the company's publication that it's in. This is, of course, the university's dissertation. And then I copied and pasted the housing for it, right? And then you want to copy and paste that date. So summer of 2018. So now at this point you have a little bit of confusion, like how do I do the formatting for the publication, the database that houses it. So there's a few things you can look up in the HackerBook. With the dissertations specifically, notice it's the author, the title, and then the year, the university that houses it, and then the URL and information where it was housed. But like, let's say it was just a regular website article and we didn't do a dissertation. It's almost the same format: author, title, the university who published it, and then the date comes after instead of before it, and then the URL. And if it was just a regular work from a website that wasn't a college, it's the author, the title, the publication, then the date, the web page, and at the very end, the date, a second date, the date you accessed it. No, this is a dissertation. It's just a placement of dates. But I also want to kind of show you how to do it, because you want to get the web URL. Have the name, the title, right? The publication in italics, right? The date it was published. And now I'm going to put the URL here and then the date accessed. Here's the URL. I'm just going to copy it and paste it onto the assignment. So edit, paste special. I pasted unformatted text and it became the URL. And then I'm going to put the date accessed, right? And then today's date. It is in a backwards format. If you look at it in the book, it's the day, the month, then the year. So we think, what's today? So we're going to put 22 June, period, 2020, period. And voila, you're done. So then you're going to save this. Well, actually, we need to indent it. But then you're going to save this and post it.